Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your screen rotation isn't working properly on your VIVO X300 Pro smartphone. First of all, swipe down the control center on your phone and make sure that the auto rotate tile is enabled. Then try checking out how it works in different applications on your device and see if it works. If it doesn't, then simply restart your phone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time. Then swipe the middle circle to the right to reboot your device in order to reset the sensors. Once your phone is restarted, check if the problem is resolved by testing your device once again. And if this didn't help you, then you have to go to the settings, check system updates, check if your device is connected to the internet, by the way, and see if there are any updates for your device. If there are, of course, download and install the latest version of the Android for your device and wait until the phone restarts, and then check if the issue is resolved once again. And if this didn't help you, then go to System Management, Reset, and reset all settings on your device. This will not remove any personal data from it, but it will set everything that you set up on your phone before to default. And if your automatic screen rotation doesn't start working after that, then surely reach out to VIVO customer support service and tell them about this issue. Maybe they will guide you through some more troubleshooting steps, or maybe you'll have to send your phone to them for repair in order to repair the faulty sensors of your device. And I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.